In this video, we're gonna show you how you take this off and you put it back on. So, in order to take this off, there are clips like this. So you have to make sure to not break any of these. They're very sensitive, and by the time it gets more sensitive and sensitive. So make sure that you do it very, very nicely. So the best way is to remove this, and with your hand, slowly press where the clips are to remove it. Very, very gentle. If you see there is some resistance, go to the next clip. And after, you see from here, it was the easiest, so we start from here, and it goes like this. So you can move it like inside, outside, in order to make it to get out. So from like this, it gets out easier. Right. And you can rotate according to your measure and take it off. Very easy, you can take this off. Now, how to put in the same way, you have to find the side and align to the left or right. And when you achieve the alignment, you press from the one side, inside slowly. Make sure that you achieve the alignment first. And, let's try the other way around. That should be exactly symmetrical. Try and be very, very patient, having nothing else to do for the day. Don't be in a hurry, and it should go in as usual. Right? If you're in a hurry, you cannot achieve anything. Okay, that's all. I hope you like my video. Let me know in the comments how your experience is taking off the lamp lid of your ventilator.